Um, so like I think like overall I do like the direction the Twins are going in better, not just because of the results, but more just because like it's yeah, like you said, we're more modern. It's like our manager is younger than like our oldest player. Our team directors or whatever you want to call them, Thad and Tad are both
Yeah.
super like forward thinking. And also I like this sort of new culture we've developed where like people like Latroy Hawkins, Michael
Hmm.
Kadire,
Yeah.
Michael Morneau, Justin Morneau, um,
Bowling for.
and it seems like Nelson Cruz is going to do that too. It seems like
Oh,
Nelson Cruz could possibly be like a coach because
he could
he
replace
seems
that
to like yeah he
Canadian.
seems to like Minnesota a lot.
Yeah,
Um,
that'd be. I do really like that. I personally miss seeing Gardenhire throw his hat, and I know we can still watch it, but it was just something special when it was on our side and watch that
yeah,
little man go out there in anger.
yeah, it's like what are you looking forward to when your team is losing 100 games if it's not some beat red cherry faced old guy going out to yell at a
Goatee,
referee that will make absolutely no difference in any game.
a call that wasn't even close. He's just like Guardy's just way off on it, but he will defend that to his grave.
One thing that I don't miss though is like sometimes when the Twins play, they'll play against a team that is going through what we used to go through.
Mhm.
And it's a team of people that if you're not a fan of the team, you look at that lineup and you say, who the hell are these people? Who let them into Major League Baseball?
Yeah.
Like, and it's like it's people like Cleet Thomas, um,
Your Mike Tolberts.
Mike Tolberts. Here's less of an example, but Danny Santana at shortstop.
Oh, I love
Um,
Santana.
I love him too, dude. His first year was incredible. People like
Him and
Pedro Florimon,
Pedro Flormon. You're Kenny's Vargas, where you're like, yeah, he is the next David Ortiz. No,
Andrew Albers,
Oof Bonzer.
uh, Schwarzak,
Forzak was a good one. Nishioka.
Casey Fiend.
Oh man, I need to go back. Like, can I hit early 2000s, or is that
Yeah,
stretching my
yeah. Go
range
ahead.
here? Oh, no, I'm wondering if I can personally hit early 2000s anymore. Oh, who was our catcher? Our catcher that switched to the White Sox, even though he was Przinsky. Like, he was
Yep.
a great catcher. I can't say that, but
Ryan Doman.
not right. Or the best catcher of Twins history, I'd argue, is John Ryan Murphy.